Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. I'm so glad that you are back. So as you can see here, we're going to be working on foundation single crochet chains. So let's go ahead and get to it. So what you're going to need for this project is of course, your crochet hook. Whatever crochet hook you want to use is fine. And of course, your yarn. I am using a Big Twist value yarn, and I do believe it's light rose. There'll be a link for you in the description box. And yeah, to start this out, it's pretty easy. We're going to start out with a slip knot like always. And we are simply going to start out with a chain 2. Really easy, really simple. I love doing this because it makes a nice stretchy start to your crochet project. So let's go ahead and chain up 2. And in the second chain from the hook, we are going to insert our hook into that chain, yarn over, pull through. You're going to have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that first initial yarn over and pull through is going to create our chain, and the second yarn over pull through is going to create our stitch. So as you can see here, we are going to work through the very bottom of our work. So there's our chain, and that is our stitch. So we've made 2. So as you can see here, those bottom 2 loops, I'm going to show you really quick. So you can see that it kind of looks a little twisted. That's where we are working. So once you grasp it, it gets easier and easier as you go. Always making sure to do that 1 chain and then complete your single crochet. Okay, extreme close-up. So this is what I'm talking about. It looks like almost like a twisted chain. So you're going to go under that loop there and that one as well. So yarn over, pull through. Don't forget to do your chain, which is just a yarn over, pull through 1, and then your single crochet. So far we've got 4 foundation single crochets. So when do you want to use this method? You want to use this method whenever you want something that is stretchy, something that, you're not going to have to worry about making your chain super big or having to switch out to a bigger crochet hook. You can use this for any project, pretty much any project. I mean, I haven't found a project that I can't use it with. And yeah, it takes around the same amount of time as chaining up and then doing your first row single crochets. So it's really up to you. It's super easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So yeah, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more. And yeah, channel memberships are open. So if you check my channel out, you will see a little join button and you can hit join. I have different tiers and you'll get a shout out at the end of my videos, and you might get extra videos. Who knows? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting, happy crafting. See you later. Bye.